Hi guys, welcome back to the 10th day of 21 days action challenge. Today I'm going to talk about a bug, and this bug is called the reality bug. The other day I was having a casual conversation with a friend of mine, my school days childhood friend, and we just happened to get stuck on one topic, and the topic was why kids are the happiest. So her opinion about why kids are the happiest was something that was quite alarming. According to her, kids are the happiest because they do not know the reality. So guys, what is the reality that we know and they don't know? Is it that the reality of negative beliefs that life is bad? Is it that the reality that life is tough? Is it that the reality that all your dreams cannot get fulfilled? Is it that kind of reality that kids are supposed to know? I don't think so. Because the more you get into this loop of somebody else's reality becoming your own reality, or someone else's perception becoming your reality, you will never be happy. And kids do not care about such reality. And that is why they are happy. So guys, do not care about other people's perception about life. Do not take anybody's limiting belief as truth or reality for yourself. You may have had difficult time, we all have difficult times, we all go through failures and rejections. But at the same time, there have been great times, there have been happy times. Why do we forget the good things and we focus on only the difficulties and the challenges? Guys, we need to focus on what we want, and what we don't want is not to be focused on. So shift the focus, think about things which are good, that empower you, think about thoughts, great thoughts that motivate you and keep you on your track, and be childlike. Do not care about what others are telling you and what has not worked for others. It's your reality which is different from others. So bend the reality, guys. I wish you all the best, and if you really feel that today's topic is important and powerful, please share this video across to people who matter to you, and try and apply this thought process. Bend the reality, try and see what is your own reality, and do not believe in other people's perception, guys. Thank you for supporting me in my mission of spreading awareness. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end and subscribing on this channel. I'll see you soon tomorrow with another topic. I'll be back. Till then, stay tuned, take care, and God bless you all.